Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Testing tayo ng unit ni Sir Raven of Nueva Ecija. Shoutout po sa inyo dyan, sir. This is your unit po, the Glock 17 Gen 5 by ANC. Comes with free green gas number 12. And also comes with the 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots BBs. Okay, this is the box ANC. Code number 1102EC 1102DE. This is the FDE or the flat dark earth. Yeah, it comes with the owner's manual and also comes with 2 box straps. And ito yung pin sa box strap. And this is the unit. Lot 17 Gen 5. Sa Gen 5, ambidextrous na yung slide release. Magkabilaan na po yan. Sa Gen 4, dito lang. 24 rounder. Mag. 24 rounder. 24 plus 1. Ayan. Okay. So, rated na yung rear. And the sight. And design. Threaded barrel. So, pwede ka dito maglagay, sir, ng tracer units. Ayan, may thread po yan. Then, railing. Flashlight, pwede nyo pong lagyan. Then, pwede po kayo maglagay dito ng red dot optic. Optic ready po ito. Okay, ayan. Glock 17 Gen 5. Okay. Lagyan lang tayo ng gas. Para sa chronograph, test natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, shoutout po kay Sir Raven. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so ito sir, may valve yan. Higpitan nyo lang. Paminsan lumuluwag yan. Part niya yan. Yan, yung valve tsaka screw. Higpitan nyo lang. Flat screw. Ito din, yung valve. Inlet valve. Meron kasi tayong ginagamit talaga dito na valve tool eh. Katulad nito. So, ito yung ginagamit ko. Valve tool. Yan, para talaga sa valve yan. Kung gusto nyong mag-avail nito, meron tayong available. Okay, tayo BBs. 24 rounder. Pero mas maganda kung 12 lang lagay mo sir, half lang para yung spring di agad lalambot. Bago pa lang yung spring, may ingatan na natin. Okay. Kaya lang muna lagay natin. Testing. Okay, check natin kung ilang EPS. Chronograph. Yan, set lang natin sa phone. Okay, bali 6mm diameter. 6mm tapos 0.20 ang gamit kong pang test. Ayan. Makikita natin dito yung EPS. Okay. Testing. Firing. 291.9. 291.9. Ayan. Ay, isa pa. Oh, lumakas. 306.3. Ayan, 306.3. Okay. So, ngayon, proceed tayo sa shooting test. Shooting test naman tayo. Okay, Sir Raven. Testing. Okay. Diretso na to kasi galing tayo sa chronograph kanina. Okay. So, hindi ko na siya ikakasa kasi loaded na siya. Okay, firing. Okay, open chamber. Ibig sabihin, wala ng bala. Release mo lang mag. Yan, wala ng bala. Then, hatak mo lang yung slide. Ito, hatakan nyo yung slide, sir, yan. Para bumaba. Okay. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Raven. Okay na po ang inyong unit. This is the ENC Glock 17 Gen 5 FDE. Okay, bound to Nueva Ecija. Check natin. Yes, Nueva Ecija. Gapan, Nueva Ecija. Okay. Sir Raven, thank you for choosing 5th generation hobby shop. This is your unit. The Glock 17 Gen 5 FDE by ENC. If you have more question, message lang sa aming page 5th generation hobby shop. Thank you and have a nice day.